In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app, then right here hit at your profile picture, and then here tap at three dashes icon and select settings. Then hit at privacy, and right here the first thing that you may try to hide your account from others is to just make your account private. Just hit at that switcher to enable this feature, and once you switch your account to private, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This wouldn't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you wouldn't be able to tag people who don't follow you. In order to switch your account to private, just hit right here at switch to private, and then you can hit it not now, and you can continue using your Instagram as you did that before. And there is one more thing that you may try to hide your Instagram account is actually to deactivate your account. So open up settings, then right here tap at account, and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can find delete account. Just hit on that, and now it asks if I really want to delete my account or I want to deactivate this instead. So here all you have to do is right here hit on deactivate account. While your account is deactivated, your profile, photos, comments and likes will be hidden until you enable it by logging back in. So right here you can tap on deactivate account, and on that step you have to select why you deactivating your account. Hit right there, and from here you can select any of that options. I'll just hit on something else, and then just re-enter your account password. After that you are able to hit at temporarily deactivate your account. Just hit right there and then hit on yes to deactivate it. And now it says that that account has been deactivated. If you want to activate your account after that, all you have to do is just log in back again to that account. You can hit right here at your new account username, or you can go to your login page of Instagram, hit right here at add account, then hit on log into existing account, and here all you have to do is just put here your username. Select it from suggested, and that's it. I have just activated my account again. I can use it as I did that before, and all my content, all my posts, all my followers and followings are restored. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.